This is the Hales giant hazel, and it's full of fruit. 3 years after planting, it has lots of fruits. And I have already eaten one of them. They are full of flavor, big, long, elongated, and very dense and lovely. And this is the fruit of it, the nut. So I'm going to harvest all of this now before the squirrels find them. The tree also looks healthy. Although it is 3 years old, it is more than 2.5 meters tall now. So that was Hales giant, and this is another variety, but it doesn't give as much, so I just harvest this few. They look quite large, roundish. So this is the harvest of the Hales giant, and this is the other two trees which are near it. This is Hales giant. We have no fertilizer or anything, just. So I'm in the gazebo, and now let's just compare the sizes, then I break and taste. Okay, this is the Kentish cup hazelnut, and the size of it is 1.8 millimeters. This is the Hales giant. As you can see, is 1.5 centimeter or 15 millimeters approximately. So smaller but longer. And now the length of them I'm comparing. The Hales giant is 24 millimeter almost, or 1 millimeter less probably I should say, 23 millimeter. And the other one is quite a smaller, probably around 20 millimeter. So quite size difference. Let's just crack them and taste. Okay, the one lower is the Hales giant or Hales giant, and the top one is the Kentish cup. As you can see, the Hales giant was a little bit earlier, so it has a little bit shrunk. I could have harvested it 2 weeks ago. And the other one is not completely ripe yet, so it has yet time to go. So this Hales giant is a earlier one, so it's better. We are at the late August now. It was an exceptionally warm year, so let's just taste, see how they are. Okay, this is Hales giant or Hales giant, quite like an almond. Let's just taste it. Oh, really what you expect from a hazelnut. Very tasty, and it easily comes off. I've tried with 3 weeks ago. I tried one of them also. The shell was easily separated from the nut itself. Let's just go with this one. Okay, this is the Kentish cup. Let's taste it. Oh, it was there. Has some water, fresh one, not as nutty as the Hales giant. Hales giant taste was really nutty and beautiful. So, which was my favorite? I feel the Hales giant wins. Taste-wise, it's very tasty. So now I'll go for another sample, and let's again. I smell Kentish cup. I don't feel any nuttiness. And now Hales giant. Oh, very tasty. Hard giant is the one that you say that, oh, I have to go and pick it before the squirrels. I have to beat that. But with the Kentish cup, you say, oh, why bother? Let the squirrels have it. Hell's Giant wins.
I'm just picking these tomatoes.
I'm going to taste more. Oh, tasty, nutty. Oh, that makes you feel that you have to go and beat the squirrels before they smell it. With the Hell's Giant, you just said, now, why bother? Let the squirrels have it.
Kids don't like them, so they just knock them off the barrel.